20. The function f of t equals 60,000 times 2 to the power of t over 410 gives the number of bacteria in a population t minutes after an initial observation. How much time in minutes does it take for the number of bacteria in the population to double? This type of formula in this setup, man, do they love it on the SAT. And it's talking about growth, which can be like compound interest, that kind of thing. So sometimes you'll see it in connection with compound interest. More often than not, though, it'll be in this sort of situation where it's a number of bacteria. It's a number of deer in a forest. It's a number of trees in a forest. It's a number of people in a city. They love it talking about population increase. And the format you're going to get, this is your format. This first one here, this first number outside is your starting number. How many of the thing you started with. This number in here is going to be your percent increase. And up here, your exponent is going to be having to do with your time. It might be in years, it might be in minutes or seconds, it might be a fraction. But that's the location of the three main parts of this equation. You have to have the starting number, the number of things you started with. You have to have how much it's increasing each time, and then how many times you're having that increase. This formula, be familiar with this formula, because they'll give you, they'll often give you something like this, or they'll ask you to create it by giving you these pieces. These two variations show up a lot. And like say if they give you this equation like that, they might just ask you, what was the starting number of bacteria? What was the percent increase? And if you know this over here, then you'll know where to find those pieces of information very quickly. Okay, so with that sort of housekeeping done, let's look at what they want to know. They want to know, how long does it take for this number of bacteria to double? So we know, because we know our pattern here, that little pattern, that the starting number is 60,000. That's how many bacteria we started with. So if it's going to double, what do we need to multiply 60,000 by to get it to double? We need to multiply that by 2, right? Well, are we multiplying it by 2? Kind of. That 2 is there, but it's 2 to the power of t over 410. What t needs to be there for this just to be 60,000 times 2? 2 to the power of something. I'll put like a little square there. 2 to the power of what equals 2? Because I want it to be 60,000 times 2. 2 to the power of 0? No. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. But what about 2 to the power of 1? 2 to the power of 1 is just 2. That's what I want. I want this to be 2 to the power of 1. So do I have that right now? No, I have t over 410. I want t over 410 to be equal to 1. And they're wanting us to solve for t. What does t need to be for this all to work? Well, any number, I can do this two ways. I can just look at it and use what I know about math, or I can do it algebraically. First, I am just going to look at it and say what I know about math. Go, for a number to be divided by 410 and equal 1, it has to be the same number, right? Like 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So t must be 410. So 410 divided by 410 is 1. So if I plug that in there, I get 410 over 410 is 1. Scribble that out and just get 1. Then I have 2 to the power of 1, which is just 2, and I get my 60,000 times 2 like I wanted. So my answer is that t is 410. And if you wanted to look at this algebraically for my initial, it's not letting me, it did not let me highlight and move. It moved the whole screen. If I wanted to do this algebraically, I would say t is being divided by 410. So to undo that, I need to multiply both sides by 410. So on the left, I get t, and on the right, 1 times 410 is 410. Either way, same difference. 410 minutes after the initial observation is when this bacteria population doubles. And that's my answer, 410. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. There you can get over 25 hours of test prep. This is for both math and reading and writing, both sections. They also come with practice questions, downloadable study guides, and more. Links to everything are in the description down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video or any suggestions for future videos. I'm all ears. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye. And I think I slapped my leg because that's something you do. Why did I slap my leg? Why am I slapping my leg as I'm talking? Who knows? I don't know.